In this video, we will learn about consent field. At first, go to User Meta. Forms. Add a new form or edit an existing one. I am going to edit my existing registration form. From the right side menu, click Advanced Fields. Then, select Consent Field. In Basic Configuration, set the field label and position. In Content Field, write a statement of your privacy policy or agreement. You can also put HTML tags in here to attach a link or something. Next, check the required field if you need the user to must agree on the consent. If you want to put this field in your registration form, then check the next option. In Advanced Configuration, you can set the rules and change field style. You can also apply conditional logic here. After configuring the field, click Save Changes. Now, check the form in a page. In the registration form, you can see our customized consent field. This way, you can customize consent field. Thank you for watching.